Hey guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Snapchat. After that, at the top left corner, you can see the option of your profile. You have to click on this. After that, you have to go to your settings. In the settings, you can see the option of Bitmoji. You have to click on this. And here you can see change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji and choose a selfie. If you haven't created a Bitmoji, you can also create a Bitmoji from here. And if you have created, you can edit it from here. For example, I'm editing it. Okay, so guys, here it gives me a lot of hairstyle. First of all, you have to select the hairstyle of your avatar or Bitmoji. You can select any of the hairstyle according to your preference. After that, the next option is of hair color. You can also select the hair color. Then the next option is of hair treatment. You can also treat your hair. For example, it gives me a lot of options. After that, the next option is of earrings. Here you can see that there are a lot of earrings given to us by Snapchat. The next option is of right earring. Then the next option is of left earring. Then the option is of nose piercing. And there are a lot of piercings, eyebrow piercing, left eyebrow piercing, lip piercing and tongue piercing. After that, the next option is of makeup. Here first of all you can select your eyeshadow according to your preference. Then the next option is of blush. Then after that there is a lipstick option. And the next option is of glasses. You can also select the glasses if you want. And the next option is of skin tone. You can select any of the skin tone for your Bitmoji. Then the next option is of eye shape and eye color. First of all you have to select the eye shape. And after that you have to select your eyelashes. Then it gives you an eye size option. After that it gives you eye spacing. And then the last option is of eye color. You can select eye color according to your preference. After that the next option is of eyebrow. You can select any of the eyebrow according to your preference. And after that you can also select your eyebrow color. Then there is an option of nose. You can edit the nose shape of your avatar. Then the next option is of jaw. You can select any of the jawline according to your preference. And after that the next option is of face shape. You can also select the face shape. Then there is an option of mouth. You can select any of the mouth shape according to your preference. Then the next option is of ears. You can also select the ear according to your preference. Then if you want to add any of the hearing device, you can also add at this point. And if you guys want to add any of the hearing device, you can add at this point. Then the next option is of cheek lines. If you want to add any of the cheek lines, you can add, otherwise you can also skip. Then there is an option of forehead lines. And then there is an option of eye lines. After that the last option is of body shape. You can also select the body type according to your preference. Snapchat gives us a lot of body types. And after that your avatar has been created. After creating your avatar, you just have to click on save. And now your avatar has been saved. You can also change the outfit of your avatar. If you click on this, there are a lot of options according to your outfit. You can customize your avatar. You can also customize your avatar outfit. And then it gives you an option of choose a selfie. You can just select any of the selfie which will appear with your account. Here are a lot of options given to us by Instagram. You can select any of the option according to your preference. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to create avatar on the Snapchat. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.